Hi friends, myself Siddhi Madye from FYBMS. My topic is Science of Similarities to Tune with the Nature. What does it mean exactly? Let's see. While observing nature, we see that there are various structures in the nature which resemble with the structures within the human body. Also, the processes and actions in the nature are similar to those in the human body. Such a way, there is a close relationship between the nature and the human beings or the universe and the individual. This implies that anything present in the human body also present in the nature, and activities present in the nature are similar to those in the human body. This concept of similarities is well explained in Ayurveda. Acharya Charak had explained these similarities under the Loka Purusha Samya Siddhanta. Under this Siddhant, Pinda Brahmanda Nyaya is explained, which states that Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande means whatever present into the individual or the human body also present into the universe, where the Pinda means individual and Brahmanda means universe. The word Brahmanda comes from root words Brahma and Anda, where Brahma means to expand and Anda means egg, that is expanding egg. This implies all that exists in the universe, that is Brahmanda, also exists in the human body, that is Pinda. Shortly, the human body is the reflection of the universe and it is the miniature representation of the external world. यावन्तो हि लोके भावविशेषावन्तः पुरुषे यावन्तः पुरुषे तावन्तो लोके इति, which means all the bhavagunas present in the loka, that is universe, also present in the purusha, that is human body. In short, any living body is the miniature representation of the universe. These similarities in the human body and the universe are explained by Acharyas in the Loka Purusha Samya Siddhanta. Some examples of similarities between the universe and the human body are mentioned here. There are two types of similarities. First, similarities in the Sharira Rachana, that is anatomical similarities, and similarities in the Kriya Sharir, that is physiological similarities. First, let's see the anatomical similarities. Sarva Dravyam Panchabhautikam Asmin Arthe means universe is developed from five basic elements, that is Pancha Mahabhuta, namely Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala and Prithvi. The human body is also made up of the same elements. Universe is formed by the union of Prakriti and Purusha, while the human body is formed by the union of Artava, that is Ovam, and Shukra, that is sperm. There are various substances available in the nature which are morphologically similar to the organs or parts of the human body and also effective in the disorders of the respective organ or body part. For example, in nature, there is one plant named as Kanchanara whose leaves are similar to the thyroid gland in the human body, and the leaves of Kanchanara are effective in thyroid related diseases. There is one vegetable plant known as celery in the nature which is anatomically similar to the bones and also effective in strengthening the bones. Similarly, we all know that the structure of walnut is similar to the human brain. Walnuts are effective in the brain health. They help to improve cognitive performance of the brain. If we take cross section of the carrot, then it looks like the human eyes. Carrot contains beta carotene, a substance that body converts to vitamin A, which is an important nutrient for the eye health. Vitamin A can prevent formation of cataract. A bunch of grapes available in the nature is perfectly similar to the bunch of alveoli in the lungs and are good for the health of lungs. If we cut tomato transversely, then it resembles the cross section of the heart. Tomatoes help to keep our heart healthy. Red bean available in the nature are similar to the kidneys in the human body. Due to the similarities are also known as kidney beans. And these kidney beans are very effective to protect our kidneys from various disorders. The petals of the flower known as Bhingaraj are similar to the hairs present on the human body, and these flowers are very effective in the health of the hairs. There is a small plant named as Mandukaparni available in the nature. The shape of its leaves is similar to the transverse section of the brain, and it is effective to improve cognitive skills and stimulates mind to improve the memory and concentration. A fruit named as avocado, available in the nature, is shaped like the uterus and cervix in the females. Avocado are known to balance hormones and prevent cervical cancer. And the interesting fact is, just as it takes exactly 9 months for a baby to fully develop into the womb, avocado takes exactly 9 months to grow from blossom into the ripened fruit. Okay, now let's understand physiological similarities. If we observe, there are so many common processes and functions present within the body and the nature. विसर्गादान विक्षेपैः सोमसूर्यानिला यथा धारयन्ति जगद्देह कफपित्तानिलास्तथा. There are Soma, that is moon, Surya, that is sun, and Anila, that is air, in the nature to conduct important processes and functions. Similarly, in the body, there are three doshas, namely Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, to carry out important processes and functions within the body. In universe, Soma, that is moon, is responsible for giving strength. Similarly, in the body, Kapha does this function. In universe, Surya, that is sun, takes our energy or the strength, while in the body, Pitta drains our energy. Anila, that is Vayu, is responsible for the movements in the universe. Similarly, Vata is responsible for carrying out movements within the body. In a lok, there is a something called Bija Abhisamskara, where small seed develops into a big tree under the influence of Vayu. Similarly, in the case of human beings, there is a Garbha Samskara, where the development of a Garbha takes place under the influence of Vayu. In nature, water carrying rivers save the life of living beings by supplying water to different parts of the earth. Similarly, in the body, blood carrying blood vessels save the life of human by supplying blood to each and every cell in the body. Fire present in the universe is similar to the Agni in the body, and both helps in the cooking of the food, that is, in the conversion and transformation. In nature, there is a condition called as a drought due to lack of water results into the cracks in the land and are similar to the cracks present in the skin due to dehydration by excessive loss of water.